I am Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Today we are going to discuss the ideal healthy beta-HCG levels from the second week of early pregnancy according to the weeks of pregnancy. So we'll discuss what the human chorionic gonadotropin levels should be. Now HCG or human chorionic gonadotropin is a hormone produced during pregnancy that is very important for maintenance and progression of early pregnancy. The levels of HCG can vary significantly, but there are general ranges that are considered normal. On your screen you can see a guideline for a typical range of beta-HCG levels from the second week of pregnancy onward. You will see second week, third week, fourth week, and so on and so forth on your screen. There are some important considerations with these levels. There is a wide range of normal levels, as you can see. There is a significant variation in what is considered normal, and individual levels can vary widely. The doubling time is also critical. In early pregnancy, HCG levels typically double every 48 to 72 hours, and this rapidly increases, which is a very good indicator of a healthy pregnancy. What about the peak levels? HCG levels peak around 8 to 11 weeks of pregnancy and then begin to decline and level off for the remainder of pregnancy. What about subsequent measurements? The trend of rising HCG levels is more important than a single measurement. A consistent rise, especially in early pregnancy, is a very good sign. But it has to be correlated with ultrasound. By the time HCG levels reach around 1500 to 2000 milli international units per milliliter, a gestational sac should typically be seen on an ultrasound, which helps confirm the progress of pregnancy. But you should also know when to seek medical advice. Low HCG levels can be an indication, and it can also be a possibility of miscarriage, ectopic pregnancy, or a miscalculation of pregnancy dating. High HCG levels are also important when you should seek advice. It could suggest a multiple pregnancy, twins or more, and a molar pregnancy or a miscalculation of pregnancy dating. Abnormal doubling is also something to be considered. If HCG levels are not doubling appropriately, that is not increasing by at least 60% every 48 to 72 hours, it might indicate a problem such as ectopic pregnancy or an impending miscarriage. Regular monitoring and consultation is also very important. Regular prenatal visits and consultation with a healthcare provider, an obstetrician or a gynecologist are very important for monitoring HCG levels and overall health of the pregnancy. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.